Hello traders, the title of the video is Forex Trader explains his Euro-Dollar trading. Forex Trader explains his Euro-Dollar trading. We are looking at the Euro-Dollar currency pair, and I'm on the monthly charts. And the current market pattern is a balanced market between the level of 11475, that's the red line here, 11475, and the level of 10660. So one of the biggest trading mistakes is the violation of the market pattern. So the current market pattern is a balanced market pattern, a consolidation between a level of 11475 and 10660. Professionals are selling near the level of 11475 and are looking for opportunity to buy the euro dollar at 10660. All right. So at this point in time, very simple. One should give priority to bullish signal above 10660. That's the line here, 10660. Going to change the color of that line into pink, so that 10660. Priority to bullish signal above 10660. If the price dip below 10660 and find a resistance, we will give priority to bearish signal. So priority to bullish signal above and priority to bearish signal below 10660. I want to highlight also the media line of this channel here is somewhere near the level of 11050. So if one is buying near the 10660, as the euro is approaching the media line of this channel, one should be ready, okay, to take a profit. All right, so priority to bullish signal above 10660 up to 11050. All right. There is another thing I want to highlight here for traders. I have not yet finished. There are more to this because we have a continuation pattern here. You can see that the bearish Forex trader was selling the euro. Okay, from this point, here it is. Let's put another line there. Boom. Okay, so they were selling here, and the euro came down to the 11475. So if it did below, all right, the 10660, once you use this measuring stick from this level of 13954 to 11475, this is my measuring stick, and when we project it down, that will allow us to set a bearish target, a very, very bearish target for the euro, okay, using this measuring stick down here. But I doubt it that the euro will go down to reach that target level. So what we can do is to use a market geometry, measuring this time the width of this channel. You see this channel here, the consolidation channel here. If the euro find a resistance below 111, if the euro find a resistance below 10660, we will project the width of this channel below that level to set another bearish target. In my view, if the euro dip below the 10660, there is a high chance that the euro may reach parity with the dollar. So if it dip below 10660, there is a high chance that the euro will come near the level of 10000, which means equality between the euro and the dollar, when the euro is exactly equal to $1. All right, so remember that. If it dip below 10660, the professional trader will prefer to push it down to the parity level, which is 10000. All right, parity, equality between the euro and the dollar. The question is, will the euro reach the parity between, will reach the parity with the US dollar? That's the question. So if you dip below 10660, watch out that they may push it down to 10000, which is the parity level between the euro and the US dollar. One more thing. As I explained to you, we have a continuation pattern here. So remember that the dominant force is bearish. All right. This is what we are talking about here. So they were selling from 139.54 up to 114.75. Now, this is what we call a volatile price progression. Price was going down very fast. Now we have a change of market pattern. So there was a bearish channel followed by a consolidation. The dominant force is bearish. So we need to be very, very careful when we are buying at 10660. If we dip below that level and one receives a clear-cut sell signal, there's a high chance that the euro may reach a parity with the US dollar. That remains to be seen. Looking at the current economy news relating to the euro, what is happening in Italy, all right, is not helping the euro-dollar. So the market sentiment now relating to the euro-dollar is bearish, but one cannot discount the current market pattern. It's a consolidation, priority to bullish signal above 10660. But be aware of the media line at 11050. One more thing before I close this video. Apart from the media line of this channel here, I want trader also to pay attention to the media line of this candlestick bar here. This is a very bearish candlestick bar. See, price went up a bit all the way up here and it sold it down. So the media line for that candlestick bar is somewhere near the level of 10924. So as one is buying near 10660, it's going out. Be aware also of this level 10924, the level before the media line of that channel. Okay, so 10924 is another key level to remember. Apart from that, the media line of the channel 11050. All right, very simple and very powerful, because bearish progression followed by a consolidation is a continuation pattern where the euro found a support near the 10660. If we dip below that level, the euro has a high chance to reach a parity with the US dollar. That remains to be seen. So always when one is trading forex, one must pay attention to the economy news. Okay, so very, very important. Always pay attention to the economy news, all right, and use a top-down trading method. So here we are. So we are the monthly chart. A consolidation is taking place near 10660. We go now to the daily chart. Here we are. This is what we are talking about on the daily chart. You can see that the euro bounced up a bit. You push it back above that level, 10660. In this scenario, talking about looking for a signal, we will prefer it to pull back. If you want to buy, allow it to pull back to the zone of 10660 before applying a top-down trading method to trade it. But be very, very careful, because if you dip below this level and continue and find a resistance, which will break below, retest, turn around, there's a high chance we may reach the level of 10000. All right, so this is what we see. So there is another tall candle here. All right, so we will prefer it as it is now, the way it is now, near that level 10660. Though we want to give priority to bullish signal above 10660, we will prefer it to pull back near that level 10660, and then from there we will see whether it's going to find a support. And if we find a support, we use a top-down trading method to buy it. But be very, very gentle, because of the continuation pattern that we have seen, on the monthly chart. bearish progression, consolidation. If you dip below 10660, use this measure stick to set the greediest bearish target. I doubt it that you reach that level. We will use instead steadily market geometry, measuring the width of this first channel here, and we project in the direction of the price to set a conservative bearish target. All right, I hope you have found this video also useful, and we'll put into use to improve your forex trading. As always, do not violate the market pattern. The same market pattern is still in place on the daily chart. This is it, the channel you see here between the red line, the pink line. So it's a found a support here, bounce up to the top, they sold it back down, will go back up to 11476. Very, very interesting scenario for the euro dollar. Looking at the economy news, it's not bullish. The market sentiment is not bullish for the euro right now. One should be careful if one is buying the euro dollar. Wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSCAW24 traders talking about Forex trader explains his euro dollar trading. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.